Hey y'all, it's your girl Keisha and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here, period. And y'all, so today I'm about to go to the bar and there's a Halloween costume contest. So y'all already know I'm about to win, so it's lit. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you continue watching this video. So we're gonna go ahead and do the brows first, and I'm gonna use this Revlon eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. Okay, so I'm gonna take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to clean up my brows. Okay y'all, so I like to put some duo glue on my brows so that they can last all night. And when I put this duo glue on my brows, I swear my brows stay like this for like 2 days.
Yo, ML. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, fix things, loopings.
Okay, so I got this pack of I got this little pack of blood and like scar, like things you use to make like a bloody face. I got this from Amazon, and it comes with like a little sponge, and then this is the blood. And then it comes with like a little spatula. And then this is the wax. Okay, I never used this before, so we just gonna see how it go. I'm not gonna do like my foundation or nothing like that first. I'm gonna put this scar on and figure that out, and then I'm gonna do the rest of my makeup. So just continue watching the video. So I'm gonna take some of this wax and just like ball it together and form like a cut. So let me get some more.
I'm down
Okay, y'all, so now I'm gonna go in with my foundation, and I'm gonna use this Fit Me foundation here, Maybelline, in the color 340.
Feeling like Jericho, feeling like Joe, we lost this shit. Got on my course to get a long night. Ooh, way to kill the mood. No, you like that shit, keep moving, baby. Heavy on my empty mind, shit. I gotta keep the moves in the first of me. Still worried now, wasted the best of me on your big yeah. Sometimes I breathe the new sense, it's just urgent. Trying to make some little change, got me a warm.
I'm gonna go back in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn for my concealer.
Just pretend it should never happen. Half of us laying place to our youth. It's in the present. Half of us chasing fountains of youth, and it's in the present now.
And then I'm gonna go in with this CoverGirl concealer in the color T100 Golden Amber. Yeah.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you took me down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see you, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. I wanna be down with you. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's gonna be down. Wanna be down.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try this new Black Opal Cream Contour. Actually, it's a cream powder foundation. So I'm gonna use this as a contour for my nose. I'm gonna go in with my Laura Mercier setting powder and just set all the places I put that concealer. But I just want to make sure that everything is blended out before I go in and set.
Things, wickings, whippings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
So I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. Just gonna go in and bronze and use it as a contour. I used to sell lashes, y'all, and this is the original box that I was selling, and these are the lashes. And it says Slay Beauty. So if you're a part of the Slay Squad, make sure you go ahead and comment Slay Squad in the comment section so that I know that you gang, period. Okay, so let me just go ahead and put these lashes on. Hey, got the lashes on. Hey, got the lashes on. Hey, got the lashes on. Okay. Alright, so now is the fun part. So I'm gonna take this Jackie Aina palette. Okay, so actually, first, before we do that, I'm gonna cut into the wound. So it actually looks like a wound, like a scar, like somebody cut me. Okay, so let me just go ahead and do that. Now I'm gonna go in with the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm gonna take this dark shade here. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Credit and just darken up my wounds. I'm gonna go in with my Morphe spray and just set my face really quick. Now I'm gonna take some of this blood. And just plop that. Okay, let me stir the blood up because it's like very thick. This stuff is thick, y'all. So let me stir up the blood. I'm like, should I add water or what? Or I'm gonna just.
I would like to get to know if it could be
Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.